Hey, and welcome back to Varcade Games. This is a quick 2022 garden update and a stray cat update. Thank you for watching. Let them cats do it.
Well, just a real quick update on the stray cat. He's right there. And I'm about to give him some food. Hey, booby boy. How's your Sunday? Don't go nowhere. I got food for you. Kitty, kitty, kitty. All right, booby boy. There's your food. One day I'll be able to pet you. Till that day. And we might as well have a look at the bucket garden while I'm out here. Not much this year. Some jalapeno plant. I don't even know what this is. A sweet banana. A husky cherry tomato plant. Those are some onions. This will be red romaine lettuce. I'm hoping it takes off. I don't know. It's my first attempt at lettuce, so we'll see what happens. There is, of course, some catnip. This is orange bell peppers. That is a Roma tomato plant. And that is my hot banana pepper plant. So we'll see what happens in a few months. But that's my garden update.
Hey, did you like that video? Then leave a like. And if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing to the channel. And once again, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, wait, there's the cat. Hey, kitty, kitty, kitty.